3 billion rand is how much Africa's largest pharmaceutical company, Aspen is now investing in one of the world's largest anesthetics manufacturing plants.
The Minister of Trade and Industry, Ibrahim Patel, was joined by Aspen CEO, Stephen Saad, and the Eastern Cape MECs of Economic Development and Health on a tour of the plant. Newzroom Afrika's Sipha Kema was there.
Now we're continuing with the walkabout inside the plant of one of the largest drug manufacturing companies, Aspen, in Gqeberha. Now what we have right behind me is one of the systems where you find the vials getting washed before they actually sterilized. Now this production plant here is producing the anesthetic that you would take before an operation. I think let's move on closer so we can see exactly how it operates. You see it is all lined up and then it moves to get washed, and the tunnel you see in front of you, this is where it washes, and then the tunnel in front of you, it is where it gets sterilized. Now let's talk to someone who's more knowledgeable about this production line and what exactly happens here. Hi, so if you could just take us through the steps of sterilizing, washing the vials before the product is actually inserted inside.
Oh, okay. Basically, this is our ultrasonic bath. We load in our components here and then we wash them with WFI and then we dry them before the tunnel. So, like, there's a sensor there that will check, like, for rejects. If there's a problem or anything, then it will reject them, and then we have good products, like good product of the valves or the cartridges, because we also have the cartridges, and then they go through the tunnel. As you can see here, we have the preheating, and then we have the heating zone, of which is we heat them up to 300 degrees, and then after that we cool them here before the filling. So basically this HMI is controlling this washing and the tunnel before the filling.
All right, and then you said the rejected parts then are ejected out of here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is where you'll see the rejected batch will be ejected out onto this blue bag.
Yeah. If there's any reject products that are not good quality, they'll be rejected here. Or anytime if we happen to open up this, then it will reject, because we don't want any contamination. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. And she's taking us through the production line, of course. Before the vials are actually filled up, they have to go through a process of sterilization and ensuring that there's no contamination. For Newzroom Afrika, Channel 405, I am Sipha Kema in Gqeberha.